All right, y'all, check this out. Scientists just dropped a bomb. Eating meat may protect you from cancer. Yeah, you heard that right, protect you. Like steak is suddenly your bodyguard. Nobody touch my cells. I'm with the ribeye tonight.
Never fear America. Billy Bob loves science, and he's here to teach you some.
So these researchers looked at 16,000 people, big sample size, not just your vegan cousin Greg. And they didn't just do old school math. Nah, they busted out some nerd level stats. Markov chain Monte Carlo modeling. Sounds like a Marvel villain. Oh no, it's MCMC coming to destroy your salad. And what did they find? Meat eaters weren't dropping dead faster. Actually, they were doing a little better on the cancer front. Plant protein, it just sat there like that friend who swears kale chips are just like Doritos. See, for years, the story was meat is evil. Meat will kill you. Eat a burger, start planning your funeral. They told us about IGF-1, some hormone that makes your cells go wild like college freshmen on spring break. But now, turns out maybe meat's also bringing the stuff that keeps your body's repair crew in business: iron, B12, amino acids. Steak out here acting like a multivitamin with attitude. Oh, but here's the real comedy. For decades, we've been stuck in this plant versus meat holy war. Like broccoli and brisket are about to throw hands in the parking lot, and then you find out the beef industry funded the study. That's when everybody goes, oh, I see what's going on. Look, the scientists swear the funders weren't in the lab whispering, make that cow look good, baby. But once you see National Cattlemen's Beef Association, you can't unsee it. So what do we learn? Meat's not the Grim Reaper. It might even be the bouncer at the cancer club. Plant protein is fine, but it didn't save the day this time. Advanced statistics, sometimes they change the story. Like seeing the high-def version of reality. And don't forget, science isn't just facts. It's also storytelling. Who funds it? Who frames it? Who sells it? And honestly, maybe the real takeaway is stop demonizing your dinner. Balance is key. Don't live on bacon alone, but don't treat chicken like it's plotting your murder. So the next time someone tells you meat causes cancer, you can say, well, actually, science says it might save my butt. Just don't say that to your vegan roommate unless you want a kale smoothie in your face.